Welcome to EComposer extension tutorials. A Shopify blog is a powerful way for your small business to compete against all the big daddy giants out there. Your Shopify blog can announce your presence on the scene, create brand awareness, and drive organic, unpaid traffic your way. However, the only problem is that the post is really long at more than 2,000 words. Usually, when someone clicks on a long blog post, within 15 seconds, a quick scan is done before they decide if they want to stay and read on. And the possible reason could be that they can't find their desired information on your site. This is when a clickable table of contents for your Shopify blog will help your reader. In today's video, we would love to guide you how to use the EComposer table of contents extension to boost up your visitor blog reading experience on your blog page. Before we start, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. Before we start, I have to notice that you have to create your blog post first. Now open Apps, then choose EComposer Builder. I will choose one specific template to insert. So this is the outcome. Now, we will install the extension. You can easily see the extension library on the functional toolbar. Search Table of Contents. Then install now. Back to the editor. In the element bar, open Extension tab, and you can see the Table of Content extension. Please drag this extension and drop it on the desired position. Now, we will come to the most important part of today's video, Configure Table of Contents extension. To begin with, you have to choose one blog to show the table of content. We also provide options for you to change the heading in the button so you can change it as you desire. You may wonder how to show the tags of the blog post? Well, as you can see the heading tags levels 1 and 2. I will click on the heading tags levels 1. Here you can assign one of heading type which is from H1 to H6 as heading level 1 on your blog's table of content. Please remember that the heading types you choose on Table of Contents extension has to match with the heading you set on the imported blogs. Here, I will pick heading tags level 1 for heading 2. Heading tags level 2 for heading 3. EComposer also allocates many other settings for you to configure, so you can read more about this extension setting through the link in the description below. Now, I will publish the template. Let's take a look at the live site. So you can see the extension is working properly. As a customer, you can base on the heading on the table of content to find the part that you want to read. This will save your time in finding unneeded parts, which will also reduce the bounce rate. It's a wrap of today's EComposer extension tutorial. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification to get the newest video from our channels. Feel free to leave the comments or join the EComposer community to get a quick support and the latest update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.